Okay, hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will show you how to set up a Calendly. Okay, so go to your browser and type in here calendly.com. Here, this is Calendly website. So what is Calendly? So let us click these pictures. So Calendly is the best automated scheduling software for you and everyone you meet. It's an online calendar. Alright? So you can hold all types of meetings. One-on-one, round robin, collective, or group. So you can have a different types of meetings. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so you need to sign up with your email address. So I'll put my email address here, and not that one, my new email address for this Calendly, for this tutorial. I made a new email, Google email. So you put your email here, then sign up with Google. That's so easy. So just click that one, then click this account. In his Filipino, I'll change this to English, United States. Then here, Calendly wants to access your Google account. So just allow that one. Okay, it's loading. Alright. So the first step to create your Calendly URL. You will choose a URL that describes you and your business in a concise way. So make it short. Here, this part. This will be the link of your Calendly. So calendly.com, and what will be your extension here. So I will put my Calendly. Oh, it's not available. So we'll put something here. Still not available. So Mike, book now. Yeah. Yes, it's available. So Mike, book now. I think I put that here. Okay, it's available also. Then if that's okay, you can see it here. There's a check, then continue. After that, Calendly will work with your email, so it will check your Google Calendar. Alright, so you want to set up it later, or it will continue. The fun is I will set up it later. Alright, then you will set your availability. So what is your available time to set a meeting? So my available time, since I am working, my available time is 6 p.m. until 10 p.m. Okay, then I am available. What days are you available? We will put a check on these boxes. They'll be available until Monday to Saturdays and not on Sundays. So you can choose your availability here, what days and what time you're available. Then you will continue. Okay, so next is, what is your day-to-day role at work? So what is your role? Just check that one. Is this one a freelance? Excuse me. Alright, just choose your role and then finish. Alright, it's loading. Just wait for a while. Then here is your Calendly account. Okay, as you can see, this is your URL, and your Calendly has 3 types of meeting. So 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes. So you will set a meeting, like if you want, like me, I'm a freelancer. I'm setting up a meeting for a client, or you can choose in a calendar my available time and his or her available time that we can have a meeting. Okay, so we will choose a meeting here. Like I will pick this one, 15-minute meeting. Then I will edit this one. So first is, what event is this? I will change this one. What event is clients meeting? Oops. Then you can put a location. So since this is online, you'll put a Google Meet or Zoom or anything that you will use. So for me, I will use Google, because when the client choose a day and time, the Calendly will automatically send an email with the Google Meet link. Okay, so this is important. You can put the instruction for the clients to see, as he is looking for your available time. You'll put a summary and any details your invitee should know about the event. So I will tell to my client that you are free to choose your preferred day and time for our meeting. Okay, I think that's good. So this one is another link. This link will be a specific link for that meeting. Okay, so we'll put a client booking. Okay, so this will be the link. Then you can also change the color if you want. For me, that's good. So you can save this one. You can check, save, and next to it is, when can people book this event? When? So you will set the event duration. So how many minutes the meeting will have. You can have a 15, 30, 45 or 60. I will choose like 50 minutes so that's okay. The next events can be scheduled over 60 calendar days. I won't have I won't edit this one. So this is Philippine time. You can also change that to other time zones, and then set your available hours when people can schedule their meetings. So earlier I set that time is 6 to 10 p.m. So you can see my available time where my client can choose a day is only from 6 to 10 p.m. So whatever you set, that the client will see it in your calendar or your calendar. So you can set differently for a specific day, like on 29 I want to set this one as up and only up to 8 p.m. So I can apply it only on September, on that day, September 29, or to Tuesdays, or you can also apply this to these different days. Right? I hope you understand that one. See, it changed to 6 to 8 p.m. Alright. So you can also change the settings of this event. You can hide this event from your main Calendly page. So if they visit your link, they won't see this event. Okay, so I won't hide this one. I will just save. Okay, so you will go back to our home page. Then you will see your event is here. It's ready. Your client's meeting event with 15 minutes duration and one-on-one meeting. So you can copy this link here, create a single user, add times to email, just copy this link. Then you can send that link to your, you can put that to your post, you can add it to your post, or you can send it through email, and you can message the prospect clients, then you can give that link to them. Okay, I hope you understand that one. So for free account in Calendly, you can only activate, you can have only one active event. So this one you cannot use this one. Then type is on. So just if you have any questions right here, you are free to explore the website. So you see, this is the event types. Then you can see this tab, scheduled events. So if your client chose a date and time, then it will be on this tab, your upcoming events. So now it has no data yet because I have just set it up. So you can see the pending, the past. Right, so that's so easy. This is easy to use and easy to understand. Alright, if you want to delete an event, you just check that one, and then just below you can delete this event, or you can on or off this event, or manage this availability. Alright, Okay, so I hope you understand that one. If you have comments or suggestions, just type in the comment section below. So that's it. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you uh, more on my videos. Don't miss out. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss my latest video upload. Thank you. Bye.